Welcome to the gym, where the journey to a healthier you begins. If you're a beginner, it can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. First things first, let's talk about your workout schedule. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 3 to 4 days a week. Start with a balanced routine that includes strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. A good beginner schedule might look like this. Monday for strength training, focusing on major muscle groups like legs, back, and chest. Wednesday for cardio, perhaps a brisk walk or a light jog. Friday back to strength training, but this time targeting arms and core. And Sunday for a fun activity, like a dance class or a hike. When you're in the gym, don't rush. Take your time to learn the equipment. If you're unsure how to use something, ask a trainer. They're there to help you. Start with lighter weights to master your form before increasing the load. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. This range is great for building strength without overwhelming your muscles. Remember to rest for about 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Hydration is crucial, so keep a water bottle handy. Drink water before, during, and after your workout to stay energized and help your muscles recover. Now, let's dive into nutrition. What you eat plays a huge role in your fitness journey. Think of food as fuel for your body. Start by focusing on whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Try to fill half your plate with veggies at each meal. They're low in calories but high in nutrients, which is perfect for weight management and overall health. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, or tofu to help build and repair muscles. Whole grains like brown rice or quinoa provide sustained energy, while healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for overall wellness. Don't forget about snacks. Healthy snacks can keep your energy levels up throughout the day. Think of options like Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of nuts, or carrot sticks with hummus. And while it's important to eat well, don't be too hard on yourself. Allow for treats in moderation. It's all about balance. Lastly, listen to your body. If you're feeling fatigued, take a rest day. If you're sore, that's normal, but don't push through pain. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and remember that this is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process, and soon enough, you'll find yourself stronger and more confident than ever.